gun lawyer.
Hi, gun lawyer Derek DeBrosse coming to you guys here. We have a question from a Craig. He says, awesome channel. Thanks, Craig. We think so. I live in Ohio, so I find the content very helpful. That's my aim. In regards to private businesses and posted no carry signs, are there any legal issues someone could face by carrying their concealed handgun into a private business that has a no carry sign posted? I'm under the impression that if you are caught carrying and they ask you to leave and you do so, then you have not broken any laws. Am I correct in my thinking? It's not so easy, Craig. Generally speaking, I think that that's the case. If they ask you to leave, you leave. There won't be any issues. But the law actually says that a private employer may post a sign, private business can post a sign, and that a concealed handgun licensee violates that law if they knowingly, and the key word is knowingly, carry into those premises. Now the question is what does knowingly mean? It is defined in Ohio as knowingly violate or having reason to believe that a certain set of circumstances exist. It gets a little more technical than that. So, I would argue if I was defending somebody like that you did not knowingly violate it if you didn't know about the sign. But I think the state would say you knowingly had a gun onto you, you knowingly walked into the store. Whether or not you knew there was a sign is not an excuse. You knowingly had the gun, and that's what knowingly modifies in that context. So this is why we have lawyers to make those arguments. But there is what we call mens rea to the crime. And there's different levels of what we call culpability. Mens rea Latin for criminal intent, and that level is knowingly in this context. So, if you didn't see it, then you could also argue it wasn't conspicuously located. So there's a lot of things that can be problematic with that scenario. It looks like there was a comment as well to Craig's question. I'd like to see a video of this as well. Like if you forgot you're carrying and didn't see the sign, do they have to ask you to leave? The answer to that question specifically from that commenter, his name is Mad Maxer 525, they do not have to ask you to leave. All they have to do is conspicuously locate or place a no carry sign that largely complies with the general gun with the slash through it kind of image that the state has promulgated. So hopefully that helps. Any comments, concerns? I'd love some follow-up questions on that answer because I'd like to develop that research a little bit more myself, and you guys would give me the incentive to do so. HighGunLawyer.com, Derek DeBrosse. Be safe out there and carry on.